Hi, we're focusing on this letter. This is the letter B. This is the letter B. When we get our mouth ready to make this sound, we're going to have it closed at first and it's going to open up just a little bit, then we make the sound B. B. Get your mouth ready. B. 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 Now let's feel the air, the amount of air that comes out. Our mouth opens just a little bit and only a little bit of a puff of an air comes out. So put your hand in front of your mouth. Ba. 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 Did you feel it? Just a little bit of air. Now be really careful. When you make this sound, ba, we don't add the to it. It is not ba, it's ba. Ba. Let's do it 2 more times.